Evolution R300DCT Plus Concrete Saw is a powerhouse designed for professional use, particularly excelling in jobs where effective dust control is essential. Here's a comprehensive review of its key features and performance. Key features: dust suppression. The saw incorporates a dual-sided water delivery system to comply with OSHA regulations for dust suppression. This includes features like armored hose routing and robust brass hose connections, ensuring efficient control of dust during operation. Huge cut depth. Impressively, the R300DCT Plus offers a cut depth of 4.5 inches, making it one of the deepest cutting 12 inches machines available. The adjustable blade guard allows for both vertical and horizontal cutting, providing versatility for various applications. Powerful electric motor. Equipped with a 15-amp electric motor, the saw eliminates the need for pull cords and fuel, making it a hassle-free and eco-friendly option. The high-torque motor ensures consistent peak power, even under heavy load conditions. Warranty and Power Protect technology. The product comes with a 3-year best-in-class warranty, showcasing the manufacturer's confidence in its durability. The Power Protect technology ensures internal parts are shielded from dust and water ingress, making it suitable for demanding work environments. Blade included. The package includes a 12 inches premium diamond blade designed for cutting a variety of materials such as masonry, brick, roof tile, pavers, stone, concrete, and steel-reinforced concrete. Soft start and safety brake. The saw features a soft start mechanism and a safety brake that stops the blade in 2 to 10 seconds, enhancing user safety. Wheeled skid plate. The wheeled skid plate design is aimed at reducing strain during low-level cutting. Additionally, it allows users to place the saw down while the blade is still spinning, adding to the tool's convenience. Water feed dust suppression. The built-in dust suppression system uses a dual-sided water delivery mechanism with armored external hoses and corrosion-resistant brass connections, ensuring effective control of dust. User experience. The user reported a positive experience, using the saw for cutting the foundation in their bathroom to repair drain lines. They praised the slow and easy cutting, effective water dust suppression with zero dust, and the machine's power. The longer power cord was appreciated, though caution was advised against cutting too fast to avoid tripping the breaker. Conclusion: the Evolution R300DCT Plus Concrete Saw stands out for its powerful performance, impressive cut depth, and efficient dust control features. With a range of user-friendly attributes and the included premium diamond blade, it proves to be a reliable tool for demanding professional applications.